Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Familia. Today I will show you some smart packing hacks for short travels. Let's start packing. You can take containers, makeup bags, storage bags, zipper bags even, to ensure there's less space taken in the suitcase. As you can see, there are walls at the bottom, so to cover those walls, avoid the humps, we're going to cover with trousers at first, which will ensure the surface is balanced. We folded our normal everyday t-shirts like this. We put our scarves and our hijab caps in zipper bags. We're gonna put our daily use stuff in one bag, such as jewelry, watches, perfumes, etc. This is a dual pack, a hot pack and a cold pack. We're going to put our plasters and medicines in a separate zipper bag. Due to the pandemic, we're gonna pack a different zipper bag where we put our wet wipes, masks, and gloves. Now that our bottom portion is done and ready, we're going to put our laptop and charger. I have packed my mobile charger, my data device, and power bank. Now that our suitcase is packed, we're going to move on to the backpack. We're going to pack our everyday stuff in a proper way in this backpack now. I hope this video is helpful for you and you can adapt these techniques next time you go traveling. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.